Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I'm creating this video just to explain how we can create a trench having variable depth. Okay, the first step, we have to create a slab, structural floor. Just create a slab. Okay. Now second step is to create a family, line based family, having a void which has a variable depth. That family we will use to cut the geometry in the model, in the project. We can also create a void within the model, but the best way is to create the family because we can use the family in multiple projects. So create a family, we will go to new family. We have to use a generic model line base. Generic model line base, open. If you see here, we have the reference plan which is already fixed. Okay, when we move, the geometry will automatically move. So we have to create a void form using a void shift and blend. First we have to pick the path. Okay, then we have to create profile 1, edit, right. Using rectangular, we have to create a rectangular geometry. Okay, we have to fix. We have to lock our geometry with reference plans. Okay, we have to assign family parameter w void width of the trench. Then we have to assign h void. Okay, we have to make h1 and h2 because we have variable depth. So h1, okay, this is we created the profile 1. Now we have to create profile 2, edit. Similar to that, we have to create we have to lock with reference planes. We have to assign w because our width is same but our depth is varies, so we have to assign another parameter h2. We have created both profiles. Now we can go to the front elevation. Now you can see here we have our profile. While creating a void geometry, we must go to cut with voids when loaded. We must check this option, otherwise this family will not work. Okay, now when you move your reference plans where you lock your geometry, it will automatically readjust the depth. So we can give a name to trench 1, like trench 01, 600 width, x 400 to 700 depth. Okay, 700, 400, sorry, 600, 700, 400. Okay, so we will load into our project 1. So now here we have our family, so we have to just draw the lines for the voids. Now what you have to do, you have to cut the geometry. Use the modify floor and cut command. Select the element to be cut or host element, then you have to select the instance to cut. Now if you finally select, go to 3D. Now this is how we can create a variable depth trench. You can cut a section, go to view. Now you can see here, this is the cut geometry and these are the lines in the elevation. So now it will be clear for you that how we can create a trench with variable depth. Thank you.